who is of such frank usage that she never guarded honor beneath her belt. Hers is the wrong if I speak villainy of it. For without trick and without cover, she lets everyone see how she strives to degrade herself. And a lady who tries herself with so many, I don't think she'll ever please me, for I want no good to come to me of her, nor do I want it to fall to me.
Joyful lady, you are not of such knowledge, for you do nothing that displeases,
Rather, everything pleases and should please.